Hi friends, good evening. My name is Achyut and I'm from Vizag. So today in this class we will discuss about Flexbox in React Native, right? So in the previous class we had discussed about text input component, button component, right? And we had discussed about some styles also, right? So in this class we will discuss about Flexbox. So how can we use Flexbox in our project, right? So I just ran this project. So this is our project, right? So first of all, I will write object called input container, right? And I will just write comma here, and I will just include this input container in this view. Why? Because we are having text input and button in this view only, right? In this view only. See here, 14th line to 17th line. So that's why I'm wrapping this style inside this view component, right? I hope you understand. So here I have to write styles dot input container. Just type dot, then you'll get the notification here. Just click on it, right? Right. So here I will use the styles. The first thing is flex direction. The first thing is flex direction. So the flex direction is a row. The flex direction is a row. So why I'm writing flex direction row? See here. So you can see here, right? Your course goal and the add goal button comes beside, right? It is on the row, right? See here. This text input and this button comes under a row, right? Right? So we want text input here and the add button beside of it, right? That's why I have chosen this flex direction row. For example, if I write colon, see here, what will happen? See, it is on the top and add goal is on the below, right? So by default, it takes as the column, right? By default, it takes as the column. But if I specify here row, it will be changed into the row, right? In the form of a row, right? See here, we need some space, right? In between them, right? We need some space. So for this, you have to use justify content. You have to use justify content and space between. Justify content and the space between. Then you will get some space in between them, right? In this way, we can use the flex, right? In this way, you can use the flex. So in the flex, the property is flex direction. So in that, the values are row and the column. If you specify row, all the contents will be in the form of a row, right? And if you specify column, it will and all the content in the form of column. So I hope you understand, right? So and after that, so see here, we want some border, right, for this text input, right? So for this, as it is, just give comma here and write text input style. So whatever name you can write, right? So whatever name which you want, you can type here and you can implement it. So I have written text input style, and what I have to do, just I have to copy this thing and go to here, right? So here you have to write style is equal to, open the flower brackets and write styles dot text input style, right? So in this, the first property is border width. border width. So I'll give 1, right? See, I'll save it and I'll open the, see, we got some border, right? We got some border. So it is in black in color, right? So now we want border color. So which I want gray color. So I will just type CCC. So you have to specify as CCC, right? Then you will get the gray color. See, we got some gray color, right? We got some gray color. I hope you can see it, right? Yeah. So we got the border and we got the border and the border color, right? So after that I want to give some padding. Inside it. So I'll give 8 here. See here, inside it, you can see, right? You'll be having padding 8 from top, bottom, left and right? So in this way we can use it. And if you want to increase the width, of the text input, just you have to specify the border you have to specify the width, right? So you have to specify the width, and with this I will take 80%, right? See here, see, we got some 80%, right? We got some 80%, but this border is attached to this goal, right? So that's why I want some space at the right. So I will take margin right as 8. Margin right as 8. See, now we are having some space here. So I will change color. We will take black. Save it. Right? See now we are having some space right here. Right? See here, we are having some space. So in this way we can use the Flexbox and we can use different styles, right? We have discussed about justify content, right? Flex direction, border width, border color, padding, width and margin right. So what flex direction will work? It will display all the contents in the row, and justify content space between will give some space in between them, right? And after that, if you want border width, then you have to specify border width 1 and you'll get border, and border color, whatever color which you want, you can specify the color. And we are having padding. So padding works inside the text box, right? So this is the space, is padding, right? So padding 8 means you're taking 8 here from the top, and right from 8 here, and left 8 from here, and bottom 8 from here. So I hope you got it, right? So in this way you can type whatever styles you want, right? So I hope you understand all these things. So we are having a lot of work, right? See, this add goal is from the right? We have to justify these 2 contents in center, right? In the center, and the list of goals also it is on the left. So we have to just align it. So those things we will see in next class, right? So I hope you understand all these things. And if you have any doubts in this class, just please comment in the chat and I will definitely help you out. And if you think this video is helpful for you, then please like the video and please share this with your friends and family members so that they can be benefited from this video. And please to subscribe to my channel and please ring the bell icon Then only get the notification whenever I upload videos in the YouTube, or otherwise you will not get the notification. Thank you friends. Jai Hind.